everybody, today we're going to talk about another document in real estate which is known as the deed of assignment. I don't know if I should make this a series because the video before the last one I uploaded, it was the CFO. But anyways, let's get right into today's video. From the title of today's video, you already know what we're talking about. We're talking about the deed of assignment. In today's video, we're going to talk about two things: what the deed of assignment is and why the deed of assignment is important. Now, what is the deed of assignment? The deed of assignment is a legal document in real estate that formally transfers ownership of a property from the seller, who is known as the assigner, to the buyer, who is known as the assignee. The deed of assignment serves as a proof of ownership, and it contains very important information such as the date of the transaction, the description of the property, and the information of the both parties involved. Now we are going to go into the second agenda for today's video. Why is the deed of assignment important? One, it is one of the key documents used to perfect your land ownership. Now, what does it mean to perfect your land ownership? Well, to perfect your land ownership means to complete the entire process of transferring and registering your property or properties, as the case may be. Now, the registration of a property is done at the land registry of whichever state the property you're buying is located in. Like if you're buying a property in Enugu, the registration of the property will be in the Enugu State Land Registry. And this entire process is to gain legal proof of ownership. That is, you are the one that the government recognizes as the actual owner of that property. Now, the second reason is the protection it offers. Now, the deed of assignment protects both the buyer and the seller in case of future disputes. Now, I don't like stress, and I know you don't like stress. Now, if there is a dispute that wants to arise from God knows where, showing your document is like telling the person or the issue, shut up. And now to the last and most certainly not the least point, it is a necessary document when you're going to register your property. Now, as I mentioned earlier in this video, you need to register your property at the land registry of whichever state you want to buy property from, or whichever state you bought your property from. Now, when you've gotten that property, when you're going through the process of land registration, you need to show your deed of assignment, because that is what the legal proof of transfer of ownership. That brings us to the end of today's video. I hope you've been able to pick up what I've put down in this video. See you next time, same place.